You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. I know it's a very confusing word if you want to learn more of the medical terms and vocabulary in English, not necessarily all medical, historical too. Peonage, that's normally how it's pronounced. That's the condition of a peon, from Spanish peon. Peonage is how it's pronounced. Peonage. Now, some may just skip a bit the the schwa sound in the middle and just say peonage, but normally it has this peonage, peonage. Can you hear peonage or peonage? So sometimes it sounds like peonage, but it's peonage. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.